Hey, so this is a quick video on CoinCatcher and what it does and some of the functionality that's enabled. So we have exchange management. This is where all the exchanges are configured for the application. So you can connect an exchange, select the exchange. These are all crypto exchanges, and then we have stock exchanges, and you add your API keys, and you're wired up. There's also a balances tab here, which shows your open balances for each exchange, and then by exchange in a tree map, so you can see overall what are your holdings. And if you go to an exchange specifically, we have all of the assets, and then a donut chart of what's available. We also have open orders here. So if I go to KuCoin and look at Zen, I can see I have open orders here between 52 and 42, and this is the size. And we also have market price of this black bar at 69,444. So you can manage open orders here, see some open order metadata, and then we can also have a fills tab here. And what this is your last 24 hours to 30 days of fills per exchange. And you can actually aggregate these as well to get your average cost of those fills and then take action on that. The meat and potatoes of this application is CoinCatcher, which is the order management tool. So if I wanted to trade something like Cardano, we have default CoinCatcher strategies that are available, which would be just some dynamically generated values, which would allow you to get into the market and place your orders for your limit orders for future fills. And so from here, you see these orders are generated. You'll buy a particular amount of ADA at every price point, and that's what this chart is showing here. And you could also see that there's a instead of doing a linear model to where you buy every X amount down, you can go more towards the exponential model with a percentage-based increase, so you can increase your buy size. And so there's only $300 here to play with, but let's say I want to go every 10 cents down, and I want to start buying Cardano at $1.50, and I want to increase the amount I buy by 42%, and so I will buy every 10 cents down, increasing the order size by 42%, and I can push all these orders through. We'll send the orders, and then those are all pushed through to KuCoin. And so 15 orders that fast is pretty slick. There's also a stocks portion here, so you can see I have an E-Trade account set up. Let's go into this account here, and let's trade the crowd favorite of GameStop. I'll allocate, I don't know, 9,000. Let's just do $10,000. Start buying at 150. Stop at $1. I'll start with 3 shares, and we'll buy every $15 down, incrementing our price by 2. It says we do this. I want to also have a percentage-based increase here, so I'll buy from 150 down to 45, and I'll send these orders through as well. And then when I open this view here on E-Trade, you can see the orders are actually placed in that market. So this is really good for stocks and crypto, being able to trade those and use this interface to manage all of that. If we go to open orders, you can see for the Cardano orders we just put in, these are all the orders that I just placed, all 16 of them. This is my charting for my market position in Cardano. This particular trading pair, black bar, again, is market price. And say I just want to blow all these away, I'll cancel all these orders, and it just removes them all and takes them off the books in KuCoin. There's also a subscription management here, and so this is all information that's managed via the AWS serverless Lambda implementation for management, and then there's a help section on how you use the application, and then some additional tools here that allow you to look around in the markets and see what's there. So that's CoinCatcher, and it's currently supporting 3 crypto exchanges, 2 stock brokers, E-Trade, and Interactive Brokers. And the crypto exchanges are KuCoin, Binance, and Coinbase Pro. And I'm looking next to implement Bittrex and Gemini and hopefully provide an easier interface to interact with those exchanges as well. So that's CoinCatcher. Thanks for watching. One other thing that I did want to go over was the architecture of this application. And so this is an Electron app that wraps around an Express API, which handles all of the communications external to the device that it's on. And then the Express API also interacts with Mongo Realm DB, which is stored locally. It's just like a Mongo version of SQLite. So it's really good for mobile and standalone applications. And the UI is served via React.js. So it's a full stack JS app, completely secure for the user, given that no information is leaked to a central server, and they manage their API keys, and the information within the application is always stored on the device. So that's the architecture. Thanks for watching.